Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So this is our day 53 out of 365. So today's run, easy run again. So our trivia for today is for easy run pa din. So did you know na ang easy run ay isang way para makarecover ang muscle nyo, especially pag galing kayo sa mga long runs or mga race. Easy run ang the best. So come and join me, let's run, let's go. Run for your life. K731, 2K652, 3K754, 4K723, 5K940. So that's our 5K run here again at BGC. So we completed our 35 minutes easy run. So like ko sinasabi na, be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, and always run for your life. Let's go. Yeah.